How to sell crypto on MEXC P2P Fiat trading. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to sell crypto on MEXC P2P. First of all, you need to go ahead and register and verify your account. After that, you need to set up a payment method. So for that, you could go to the P2P trading section and then click on the payment settings. Then you could go and add GCash as a payment method by entering your GCash account details. Make sure to double check the details to avoid any issues during transaction. On the other field, you need to navigate to the P2P trading and create a sell order. That is, click the sell tab, select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and choose GCash as a payment method. Next, you need to select the desired price or choose the best available offer. Confirm your post and sell orders. Then you could also go ahead and wait for the buyer, or your orders will be listed for the buyer to see, or wait for a buyer to match your order as well. And then you need to confirm the payment and release the cryptos. As you've done that, you need to go ahead and withdraw funds to the GCash. Now open your GCash account, navigate to withdraw or cash out section, and follow the instruction to withdraw your funds to your bank account or preferred cash out method. Then selling cryptocurrency on MEXC via P2P trading and withdrawing funds to GCash is a straightforward process. Once your account is set up and verified, always follow safety protocols to ensure a smooth and a secure transaction. That is how you could sell crypto on MEXC P2P Fiat trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.